What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the Martin crew, please like, share, subscribe. So I'm here today trying to finish the accent wall that I started a few days ago. Let me show you where we're at. All right, so we're here in the living room, and I moved around mom's stuff. So this was over on that wall, so I'm doing the accent wall, and I got all the wood cut up, everything measured, cut up already, and now it's just put it on the wall. So that's the plan for today. So some of you guys said to put it on, so I'm finishing it. I was gonna finish it anyway, but yeah, wanted to interact with you guys. Ugh, trying to kill myself. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Let me set up this camera and get this started. Guys, so I got a nail gun right over. Bought this at Home Depot. It's about $50. Gonna make my life easy. recording for a little bit because I had some precision cuts to make around these outlets. So then I forgot to press record again. But anyway, it's the same thing over here. I'm still gonna have some precision cuts. See where the tape goes over the outlet? I'm gonna have to cut that out. So yeah. So I tried to cut this through it. That way I still have some of the wood. This one I have to cut it off completely because that panel go right through it. This one I'm gonna have to do some precision cut. Well, at least I just cut it off here, cut it off there. So that's what I got left. The wood left. I think I'm done. I think I'm missing one piece of wood. I don't know, I make a miscalculation. But when I was laying it out now, I see that I'm probably missing a piece, but let me see. Let me see what I got. I think I have everything though. Alright guys, we're done. Look at it. Look at it. Let me show you what's going on. Alright guys, look at it. What do you think? What do you think of this design? Should I leave it like that, the brown wood? Or should I put color on it? What do you think? Color or no color? That looks great. I think I'm for hire right now. I'm for hire, guys. Send the information. I give you an estimate and the invoice. You pay me up, I'm ready to work. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So drop a comment below if you like these kind of videos and tell me what you want to see me DIY next. All right, guys. So see you in the next video. Peace out.